Hi, I'm Masha. Welcome to our channel, Caring Kitchen. Through our channel, we are going to bring you some delicious food recipes. At the same time, we are going to explore the food culture of Sri Lanka. You can be one of our patrons by using the link below in the description. All the Patreon money that we get monthly, we are planning to donate to the needy and less fortunate people in Sri Lanka. You will be able to see all those charity work through our channel. And if you like our channel Caring Kitchen, subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, like, share, and don't forget to add a comment in the comment section. Guess what I have for you today? It's a super duper fish curry with various Sri Lankan spices. How do we gonna make it? These are the ingredients that we need. Firstly, to make this fish curry, we have to make a special mixture which I'm going to make using few of the spices as I mentioned. I use this little spoon to add this roasted curry powder. Add 4 to 5 spoons from this powder for a separate bowl. Next, I add some unroasted curry powder. Add a single spoon of it to get a different flavor. Then we add roasted chili powder. You may use the unroasted chili powder, but I recommend to use the roasted chili due to its native taste. Then we have to add pepper powder. We use very less amount of pepper because we used chili as well. Then we add a little bit of turmeric as an essential ingredient. Next we add fried fenugreek. We add a very small amount from it. It gives a great taste as well. Then we add salt. So firstly, add a little amount of salt if you are not pretty sure about its actual amount, and later you can add more. I usually add salt about 2 to 3 spoons for 500 grams of fish. Then the next essential ingredient is brindleberry paste. You may add 2 little spoons of brindleberry to the mixture. In case if you could not find the paste, you can use these brindleberry flakes as well. Make sure to use less amount from this ingredient to avoid excessive taste of sour. Later, mix all these dry ingredients a bit. And now it's time to add water to the mixture. I usually take 1.5 teacups of water for about 500 grams of fish. Now we have to add water to the bowl. Stir the mixture well with water until all the ingredients dissolve and mix it well. Now you can see a paste of spices that we made for our fish curry. Perfect! So as the next step, we add some more ingredients to this curry. I'm going to add red onions. You may use bulb onions, but red onions are the best for this with its native taste. Curry leaves, garlic cloves, and some green chili. Now, as usual, we have to chop these ingredients like this. You may chop them in a way you prefer, maybe into small pieces like this, or into some bigger pieces. You may chop the curry leaves like this into small pieces to grab its flavor in full. You may chop its stem as well. At last, we can add the garlic cloves. I'll give you a little tip for this. If you really need to get the real taste and the flavor of garlic into your curry, you should add it all together with its bark. So you can crush the garlic like this, using the butt of your knife easily together with the bark of the garlic cloves. Or else someone may chop the cloves and remove the bark if necessary. Okay, rest of the ingredients are ready. So let's move on to the next step. Sounds pretty interesting. So this is the tuna fish, 500 grams, which was sliced and prepared in a clay pot. You may use other kinds of fish like salmon, seafish, mackerel, according to your preference. This is the thick paste of curry powder mixture that we made. Let's add this mixture into this pot of fish. Hope you remember the red onions, green chili, curry leaves and garlic we prepared. Let's add them too. Now we have to mix all these together. Take a medium-sized wooden spoon if you wish to do so. But I recommend you to use your cleaned fingers to mix these ingredients with fish effectively. Make sure to mix the mixture well in order to mix all the ingredients with each and every piece of fish in the same way. Okay. Our curry is all set to cook. Let's switch on the gas and let's cook this curry in medium heat. After about 2 minutes, stir the curry again and make sure that all the pieces of fish is going to be boiled. Keep it for some time, then reduce the flame of the cooker. After about 5 to 6 minutes, you can see the bubbles are rising from the curry, which means the curry is ready to take out from the cooker. We have to stir it little bit more. But make sure to do it carefully, because the pieces of fish may get bruised since they are well cooked. Okay, now it's time to get the curry out of the cooker. It will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes, depending on the amount of fish you take. So this is it, our delicious fish curry made with some Sri Lankan spices. Hope you can see the eye-catching color and the texture. Also, the smell is great. And I'm pretty sure that its taste is super duper awesome. Try it by yourself. Taste it. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to my singing channel if you wish to listen to some cover songs. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.